In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and create invoices using Odoo, a comprehensive and flexible business management software. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can efficiently manage your invoicing process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Odoo instance. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the accounting application. This application is specifically designed to streamline your financial transactions and keep everything neatly organized. From your dashboard, direct your attention to the Customers section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on that to access your existing invoices and start the process of creating a new one. When you're ready to create a new invoice, you'll see a button labeled New on the Invoices screen. Clicking this will set the stage for entering all the necessary details required for your invoice. The first detail to enter is the customer. Select the customer for whom you're issuing the invoice. This links the document specifically to the right recipient. Next up, set the invoice date, which essentially marks the date the invoice is created. It's also vital to specify the due date. This is when you expect to receive payment, although it can often be automatically determined based on predefined payment terms. After setting these dates, make sure you choose the right accounting journal. Each invoice should be linked to the correct journal to ensure your accounts are accurate. You may also want to define any specific payment terms and add any other information like customer references or payment details that might be relevant. Moving forward, let's navigate to the invoice line section. Here, your task will be to click Add a Line. This allows you to input details about the products or services being billed. It's at this point you select the product, and if you'd like to personalize it some more, add a custom description for the line item. Don't forget to enter the quantity, which refers to how many units of the product or service are being sold. The unit price typically auto-populates from your product master record, ensuring consistency, though you're free to adjust it as necessary. Depending on your regional requirements, you'll also need to apply any applicable taxes that pertain to the transaction, ensuring compliance with local tax regulations. After filling in all these details, your invoice is ready to be finalized. Click the Confirm button, which moves the invoice from its draft status to a posted status. This action not only generates a unique invoice number for tracking, but also creates the necessary journal entries within your accounting system. This update plays a crucial role in maintaining transparency and accuracy in your financial records. Now that your invoice is confirmed, feel free to explore additional actions. You can, for instance, print the invoice for physical records or choose to send it by email directly from Odoo, ensuring prompt communication with your customer. This flexibility allows you to manage your invoicing workflow efficiently and effectively. And that wraps up our basic walkthrough of accessing and creating invoices in Odoo. With these steps, you'll have a clear path for maintaining your financial operations smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.